Hello, today we will explain to you what is current transformer. Current transformer is a type of transformer which is typically used to measure high AC current. It is generally termed as CT. When the current is low, we can measure the current directly. But when the current is high, then we can't measure the current directly. So we use a CT to measure the current. CT produces an AC current in its secondary, which is proportional to the AC current in its primary. The induced secondary current is then suitable for measuring instrument or processing in electronic equipment. It also produces isolation between the primary and the secondary circuit. CT acts as a step down transformer which converts high current to low current. For example, if we take a CT of ratio 100 by 5 ampere, here 100 by 5 means if the current passing through the primary of CT is 100A, then the current we get in secondary is 5 ampere. CT generally comes in only two variants, that is range by 5 ampere or range by 1 ampere. It means that the output for the CT is generally of two types. One is 5 ampere and another is 1 ampere. But in primarily there can be many ranges, like you can see here 800 by 5 ampere, 400 by 5 ampere, 200 by 5 ampere and 100 by 5 ampere. Here you can see primary is varying but secondary is 5 ampere only, and the same will be applicable for 1 ampere output type also. Now we will be moving on the working principle of current transformer. As said earlier, CT is basically a transformer. In transformer, there are two windings. One is primary and another is secondary. The conductor we are passing from the CT through which the high current which is to be measured is flowing will act like a primary winding. As we know that when a current is flowing through a wire, flux will be generated around it. Due to this flux, on the core of the current transformer, MMF will be produced. Due to the flow of MMF in the core, in secondary winding also current will start flowing, which will be proportional to the number of turns in the CT. A current transformer, like any other transformer, also flows through the AMP turn equation, where the turns ratio will be equal to NP by NS is equal to IS by IP, whereas NP by NS IP, this current ratio will set the number turns. Like in a CT of 100 by 5 ampere, number of primary turns NP is 1, secondary current IS 5, primary current IP 100. So we calculate the number of turns, it will come out to be NS is equal to 20. Vice versa, if current of 100 ampere flows through the primary of a CT having 20 secondary turns, a secondary current of 5 ampere will be induced on the secondary side. So primarily, a CT of 100 by 5 ampere is constructed with 20 secondary turns. Now we will be talking about how to use the current transformer. The CT and meter used to measure AC current should have same reading. That is, if we are using a CT of 100 by 5 ampere, then meter should also be of the same reading. Then only we will get accurate reading. In analog meters, the CT ratio is generally fixed, while in digital meters we can program it. In a CT, we have two sides P1 and P2 or terminal in case of WPL CTs, which represent primary, and two terminal S1 and S2 which include secondary. While connecting the CT, we should always make sure the primary current carrying conductor should always be connected or passed from the CT so that the direction of flow of current is from P1 to P2, and S1 and S2 should always be connected to representative terminals as per induction given on the ammeter. If we use a CT with a ratio of 100 by 5 ampere and the current flowing through the CT is 100 ampere, then the current in the secondary is 5 ampere, which is measured by the meter, and meter shows proportional current of 100 ampere on the meter. Similarly, if the current flowing through CT is 60 ampere, then the current in the secondary is 3 ampere, which is measured by the meter, and meter shows proportional current of 60 ampere on the meter. If the current flowing through CT is 20 ampere, then the current in the secondary is 1 ampere, which is measured by the meter, and meter shows proportional current of 20 ampere on the meter. Similar, so like this we can use CT to measure high current. Precaution while using a CT. We should never keep secondary terminals of CT open in running circuit wherein primary current is flowing through the CT. If the secondary is open, then a very high voltage will be developed on secondary side of CT, which will saturate the core and CT can even get blast. So the secondary of the CT should not be kept open. We should either connect it to a meter or can short both the terminals together. Classification of CTs. Classification of CTs can be done in three ways: based on usage, based on primary current flow, and based on their outer construction. There are four types of current transformer based on their usage: metering current transformer, protection current transformer, CBCT, and summation CT. First, we'll discuss the metering current transformer. Its most common type of CT, it is used along with measuring devices like analog and digital ammeter, energy meter, power factor meter, etc. for the magnitude of current, energy, and power. Protection current transformer. The other, a protective current transformer, is used along with the protection equipment including trip coils, relays, etc. CBCT. The core balance transformer allows the direct measure of residual currents, that is, earth leakage current, and it is specifically designed to be used with earth leakage relays. Summation CT. Summation CTs are designed to summarize several synchronous altering currents of equal phase relation. They are used to add secondary current of several main CTs in order to measure with one CT only. It is further divided into two types based on primary current flow, WPL, and bar primary or ring type. WPL. Wound primary type CT consists of two separate windings, primary and secondary, on a magnetic steel core with different turns depending on the design. So this type of CT has four terminals, two for primary and two for secondary. Bar primary or ring type. It's a window toroidal type CT. It has no primary winding but instead has an opening in the core through which the conductor carrying the primary load current is passed. It can also be divided on the basis of outer construction: polycarbonate encapsulated, epoxy resin cast type, tape wound. We hope you have understood the basic of current transformers. We at Yorkins manufacture the complete range of CTs. So for any requirement, you can visit our website www.yorkins.com and contact us. Along with current transformer, we also manufacture analog and digital panel meters, digital displays, insulation testers, shunts, electronic buzzers, etc.